Hi guys, myself G1C from SVC. So let's discuss about the estimating the approximate roots and the extremum values. So today's learning outcome will be estimate a square root that is not a perfect square and approximate square roots with a calculator. Approximate roots. So let's delve into the mystical realm of approximate roots and discover the fascinating interplay between the precisions and estimation. Uncover the techniques to navigate the labyrinth equation and the hidden approximation. So far, we have only worked with square roots of perfect squares. The square roots of other numbers are not a whole number. So we can see a table on the right side of the presentation depicting the square of the numbers. For example, square of 2 is 4 and square of 5 is 25. We might conclude that the square roots of a number between 4 and 9 will be between 2 and 3, and they will not be a whole number. Based on the pattern in the table above, we could say root 5 is between 2 and 3. Using the inequality symbols, we write 2 is lesser than root 5, which is lesser than 3. Approximate square roots with a calculator. There are mathematical methods to approximately find the square roots, but it is much more convenient to use a calculator to find the square roots. Find the root symbol or the root x key on your calculator. You will have to use the key to approximate square roots. When you use your calculator to find the square root of a number that is not a perfect square, the answer that you see is not the exact number. It is an approximation to the number of digits shown on your calculator display. The symbols for an approximation is equal to and it is read approximately. Suppose your calculator has 10 digits display. Using it to find the square root of 5 will give 2.2360, such as this is the approximate square root of 5. When we report the answer, we should use the approximately equal to sign instead of an equal sign. Extreme values. An extremum of a function is a point where the function reaches its maximum or minimum. How to calculate an extremum? To find extremum values of a function, that is the highest or the lowest points on the interval where the function is defined, is called as the extremum value of a function. First, we shall have to calculate the derivative of the function and make a study of sign. A extremum of a function is reached when its derivative is equal to 0 and change of sign